lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Wriggly the worm. There's Honk the car. Look at all those bright red berries, thinks Honk. I wonder why nobody is eating them. All the big animals in Springland know that these berries are not to be eaten. The rabbits told Honk what happens if someone ate these berries.
These berries make your tummy very sore,
says Floppy the rabbit.
They make your tummy blow up like a balloon,
explains Fluffy. Honk hopes that none of the little animals in Springland eat these berries. Oh dear, Lolly the lamb doesn't know that some berries can make you sick. Honk knew that sound. Something was wrong. Hurry, Honk. There's Toot the boat. Quick, Honk. Toot told Honk that Lolly the lamb has a very sore tummy.
Take Lolly the lamb to the vet,
says Toot.
The vet is a doctor that makes sick animals better.
My tummy feels like a balloon. It is a bit sore,
bleats Lolly the lamb bravely. Poor Lolly isn't feeling well. Honk knows what to do. When animals are sick, they have to go to the animal doctor, called a vet. Come on, Lolly, I'll take you to the vet, says Honk. I'm taking you to the animal doctor. He'll give you the right medicine to fix your tummy. Honk knew that the vet would fix Lolly's sore tummy. Don't worry, Lolly. Soon you'll be better again. The rabbits decided to dig a hole and bury those nasty little berries. Tomorrow, they could all play together again. Be careful if you don't know if you should eat something, everybody. Always ask your teacher or your parent before you put something into your mouth.